angiphinde ke futhi ngibingelele ibandla kaNkulunkulu egameni la Jesu Kristu. Amen. Ngibonga isimemo la khona siya khona ekupheleni konyaka sekusele nje izinsuku ezimbalwa ukuthi siphothule unyaka ka2020 obuneyingqinamba esingakaze siyibone lokusazalwa. Kodwa ke nevertheless sikhethile ukuthi sithi siyabonga. Sikhethe kunje abadlamini ukuthi noma kunje kodwa sithini siyabonga. Kungenzeka ukuthi khona la mhlambe lokhu kubonga ukuqondi kahle ukuthi yini ebongayo awubongwani. Cha, ingxenye yami ihlukene kabili inkonzo yami. Ngifuna sike sibuke uNkulunkulu wakwa-Israyeli bese sivala ngokholo ekumele sibe nalo uNkulunkulu wakwa-Israyeli. Sizothobisa amakhanda mazivula ngokukhuleka. Baba wethu usekhaya ezulwini, mangehle mina Nkosi uphakame wena. Inhliziyo zabantwana bakho Nkosi ziphamele phezulu ukuba ziqonde Nkosi ukuthi ubani. uJesu Kristu Nkosi weze emhlabeni uzovula wena. Nezwi lakho Nkosi lifisa ukusitshela nawe. Zambule kithi namanje ngendlela ekhethekileyo ngegama la Jesu Kristu ukuze kube phakathi. Amen. Mawufunda ngempenkulu ekhona ephakathi kwaNkulunkulu nesitha uzoqonda ukuthi inhloso enkulu yesitha ukudiqilela phansi igama likaNkulunkulu. Uzoqonda mawuhamba nami kwincwadi kaGenesis masingena nje isona emhlabeni ukuthi inyoka mayifika kuEve, because we are given an account yasezulwini kwisambulo kodwa si-understanda kahle ebhekane nathi yile esithi masiyithola livula iBhayibheli siyithole kuchapter 3 kaGenesis ukuthi mayifika inyoka kuEve, mayifika nje kuye ithi ngabe uNkulunkulu ushilo yini? Awuyazi lo uNkulunkulu akafuni nokuhlakaniphe. Uyazi lo uNkulunkulu akafuni wena ube nezinto. Uyazi lo uNkulunkulu akafuni uphumelele. Ingakho nje ethena ungakwenzi lokho. Wena mawungenza lokho nje ungaphumelela. Futhi ungahlakanipha. Futhi ungaba nokuqonda konke. Sitawonye abantwana kaNkulunkulu. Masifike isitha sihlangakezela indlela uNkulunkulu ayiyo kumuntu ukuthi abe uthando. Amfisele yonke impumelelo umuntu. Wena wabona ukuthi nigcina isabatha. Ngoba imali yenziwa ngesabatha nje nini? Niyenza kanjani bonina? Uthi mawuthola umsebenzi uthi woza ngesabatha ubona ukuthi hey manje phela manje ngiyakhonza nje mina. Manje bese ngathi ukukhonza ukwenza ukuthi ungabi nomsebenzi. Ngithi inkulumo kaSathane leyo ethi uNkulunkulu akafuni ukuthi wenze into right ngoba ukwenza into right ukwenza ukuthi ungaphumeleli. Inhloso ukudweba isithombe saNkulunkulu engqondweni yomuntu ukuthi uNkulunkulu akamkhathalele umuntu. uNkulunkulu akamthandi umuntu. uNkulunkulu akanasihawu umuntu. uNkulunkulu akanasineke nomuntu. Yonke into uNkulunkulu amdalele yona ukuthi umuntu abe senkingeni, abe seyingxakini, abe sekuhluphekile. Ingakho bancane abantu abafisa ukukholwa namhlanje ngoba ngathi ukukholwa okwabantu abahluphekayo. Ngathi kuyahluphekisa ukukholwa ngoba mawukholwa phela akufanele uyithathe ibribe. Manje mina ngoba ngisematheni noma mina ngisebhizinisini, ebhizinisini kwenziwa kanjalo. Manje ngizokholwa kanjani bese ngiba sebhizinisini futhi? ngcono nginciphisa ngala ekholweni ngibe semabhizinisi bese ngenze kwamabhizinisi ngendlela yomhlaba ngithi bese ngiphumelelile sengingakholwa-ke ngoba kumnandi ukukholwa nezinto manje angikwazi ukukholwa kungenalutho ngoba uzongibambezela ukukholwa. Ngithi isithombe esidweba isitha sidweba isithombe saNkulunkulu ongamkhathaleli umuntu. Asambeni kwincwadi ka-Exodus masukhuluma ngoNkulunkulu wakwa-Israyeli. Sifunda uchapter 3 sifunda uverse 7 wakhona. Sahluko sesithathu sifunda ivesi lesikhombisa. uNkulunkulu ukhuluma noMose la uzoyokhulula abantwana bakwa-Israyeli eGibhithe akade sebehleli eGibhithe for more than 100 years. Others are saying 250, iBhayibheli lithi 430 years. Uverse 7 uthi wayesethi uJehova, ngibonile nokubona ukuhlupheka kwabantu bami abaseGibhithe, ngizwile ukukhala kwabo ngenxa yabacindezeli babo, ngokuba ngiyazazi izinsizi zabo. Mawufunde lesingisi lithi, and the Lord said, I have surely seen the afflictions of my people in Egypt, and have heard their cry because of their taskmasters. I know their suffering. Zintathu izinto engifuna siyibuke ngoNkulunkulu waIsrayeli andukuba sikhulume ngokukholwa uNkulunkulu wabo-Israyeli. Lezi zinto ezintathu ngifuna ukubonga kwakho ukukhandele kuzo. Uthi uNkulunkulu mayekhuluma noMose ebemthumela uMose kubantwana baka-Israyeli ukuthi eyobakhulula eyobakhipha ezweni lokugqila. uNkulunkulu ukhuluma izinto ezintathu kuleli vesi esesalibuka menziwa macingwane. Uthi uNkulunkulu kuMose ubatshela abantwana baka-Israyeli mawusubabona usukhuluma nabo Mose ubatshele ukuthi ngikubonile ukuhlupheka kwabo, ngikuzwile ukukhala kwabo, ngiyakwazi ukucindezeleka kwabo. Isingisi sithi I have seen their afflictions, I have heard their cry, I know their afflictions. Ayikho into ebuhlungu emhlabeni njengokuphila ungenakho ukuqiniseka kokuthi unayo umuntu okwaziyo. Mawuzokhuluma inkulumo nomuntu uthi uyayikhuluma umbekela udaba lwakho ngoba unesifiso sokuthi at least kube khona umuntu o-understandayo ukuthi ngidlula kuyini. Uthi uyambekela umuntu udaba asheshe akhulume ekuphendule kwisimo kusona. Uthi uyaxoxa naye bekhuluma bese uyamqonda ukuthi akangizwa. Uthi uyakhuluma, uthi uyenza, uthi akangazi lo. Kodwa phela ngoba sizalwe endlini eyodwa siphume esiswini esisodwa sesiyohamba njengomndeni ngibazise ukuthi ngidlulane, kodwa enhlizweni yakho uyazi ukuthi akangazi lo. Ubona ngendlela enza ngayo, ubona ngendlela akwenzela ngayo izinto, kube khona into ephilile kwabayeni wakho ukuthi akazi. Ngiyadlula nje ukuthi uJesu bembethela ngelinye ilanga uthi baba baxolele ngoba bakwazi abakwenzayo. Ngithi mina kuningi abantu abethi mabenza izinto ngokungazi. Sidawubona uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu uhlangana nowesifazane beyokha amanzi. Uthi cela ungiphuzisa amanzi. Owesifazane amaJuda nje awadlelane namaSamariya. Wena ucela kanjani umJuda ukuthi ngikuphuzise mina ngiwumSamariya? uJesu mayikhuluma kuverse 8 mangaphosisi kaJohn uthi uJesu ukube wena ubuwazi ubuzocela kimi amanzi mina ngikunika amanzi uma waphuza ungaphindi wome. Qaphela amazwi asho uJesu uthi ukube wena ubuwazi ukuthi ubani lo othi cela umupha amanzi uwe ongabucela kuye. Kuningi abantu abayakwenzayo benjani bengazi. But isithola uNkulunkulu wako-Israyeli abantwana bakaNkulunkulu sebehlala eGibhithe for 430 years. Azalwa uMoses 8 years before ngokuthi enezalwa for 40 years wahlala eGibhithe, for another 40 years wahlala kwi-wilderness ehlane. Ngamanye amazwi impendulo yokukhululwa kwabantwana bakwa-Israyeli iqhamuka ezulwini 8 years before uMose eGibhithe yobakhipha. So mayeseza uMose eza kubantwana bakaNkulunkulu eGibhithe, mayethi uNkulunkulu batshele Mose ukuthi I know they are suffering, I have heard their cry, I have seen their afflictions. Ngikhuluma ngoNkulunkulu wako-Israyeli mina muntu kaNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu kwa-Israyeli uyabona. uNkulunkulu wako-Israyeli uyezwa. uNkulunkulu wako-Israyeli uyazi. Ngithi noma udlula kwi-ini ekuphileni u-2020 wenze noma yini, but there was one thing that you must know and understand about uNkulunkulu wako-Israyeli. Sekwenzeke konke uthe ngiyafaka ukuthi umsebenzi angatholakala. Wangena kwi-job interview wathi uyaphuma Nkosi yami, wangathola. Uthi uyithola i-call ethi ayawuthathwanga, uguqe phansi ukhulume noNkulunkulu waka-Israyeli uthi ngiyazi Nkosi uyabona, futhi ngiyazi uyezwa, futhi ngiyazi uyazi. Ngikhuluma ngoNkulunkulu waka-Israyeli. Abanye balahlelwe imisebenzi, abanye siyezo balahlelwe izihlobo. Kuningi okwenzakalile, but into esiyibongayo kuNkulunkulu wako-Israyeli ukuthi kunoma yini esidlula kuyo sinoNkulunkulu ozwayo, sinoNkulunkulu obonayo, sinoNkulunkulu owaziyo. He knows it, he heard it, he saw it. Abanye bangena uma-car accident esingazi ukuthi kodwa yazi uhlushwa yini ukholwa, kodwa kwenzeka kanjani. Uze ngempela ungaxoli, ungakwazi ukudlula esimeni, kodwa ingane yami kodwa yayifunani, kodwa bona hobani, kodwa kwenzeka kanjani. Mana uNkulunkulu waka-Israyeli uyabona, uyezwa, futhi uyazi. Ngithi mina abantu abaningi ekukholeni kwabo into abahluphile, bahlushwa izinto abangazazi, bahlushwa izinto abangayibonanga. Ukumuzwa ukuthi mayekhuluma ethi kodwa uyazi ungenzeni, ubonile kodwa ungenzeni, kodwa ubonile benguwa kanjani. Angani nguxoxela wena, angani wena u-understand ukuthi indaba efika ngale ndlela afika ngathi yabo. Uyambona umuntu usecaphukile nje, udubile, ukhonyele, wenze njani mamkhize. Ngeke nje ngixolele phela ukuthi awazi, ukuthi awazi wena, awazi umenzeni. Angani uyambona ukuthi lo muntu uthi wena awazi wena, yena uyazi yena. kodwa naye akazi yena ukuthi indaba lo muntu amenzele into umenzeleni. Mamkhizi, awazi wena. Yeke ukhona kodwa owaziyo. Yebo nama ngazi. Mina ngizokududuza kodwa kanjani mina? Angazi. Ngingazi nginjalo mina ngizela ukuzokutshela ukuthi ukhona owaziyo. Thatha yonke imfundo yakho uyinikezela. Kunabantu abanezingane ezingeke sabathena isikhathi siphela bazalwane. Umhlaba uyagoqwa. Ungayikhohlisi nje unokuba nama 10-year plans, 5-year plans, 20-year plans ufundela ukuba ungakwenza mawuthanda. But the issue right now, uphawu lesilo liyalungiswa. Are you ready yini ukuthi uphile ngesikhathi la khona uzongakwazi ukuthenga noma uthengise? Mawusaphethe uyigada ngeholo lakho khohlwa. Kuzofika isikhathi la khona uzangakwazi ukuthenga noma uthengise umbuzo khona amasabatha asafana ayibuze wona ukuthi uyamazi yini uNkulunkulu kaIsrayeli obonayo ozwayo futhi owaziyo. That is my burden, that is my worry. Are we acquainted? Do we have the experiential knowledge? Do we have the relationship with a God who hears, with a God who sees, with a God who knows? Ukuthi akekho nje owazi usizi lami. Ukuthi akekho obonayo. Mina ngeke. Kanjani uwa-Israyeli? Go to your closet, close that room, and speak to the God of Israel. I know you see it. I know you know it. I know you heard it. Uyazi abantu bake bexabane nabantu bethi kodwa umzwile utheni? Ayazizwanga thina. Futhi asinandaba nokubuzo. Futhi ungasitshela ukuthi utheni. Uzwile uNkulunkulu. Umbonile wenzeni asinandaba ukuthi wenzeni. Futhi ungasixoxela ukuthi wenzeni. Kodwa uNkulunkulu ubonile. Let me tell you, abantu abamaziyo uNkulunkulu ukuthi uyabona. Abavambu, ababexa indaba zabo. Umbonile wenzeni ungenza ukuthi nokabahlebi. Baya uNkulunkulu. Nkosi wena waziyo ungenzeni. Uwena waziyo utheni kimi. Abantu baka-Israyeli abahambe begcolisa igama labanye abantu ababaphathe kabi bona. Batshela uNkulunkulu ngoba uNkulunkulu uyazi. uNkulunkulu ubonile. Futhi uNkulunkulu uyazi. Ibenze njani lento eshiwo yiloyana. They know it. They had it. When you thank God, bonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu waIsrayeli athi uSamson akozeli akalali. That's the God you serve. The question is, do you know him? Isikhathi esiphila kusona requires us to have the faith in the God of Israel. Owathi ngelinye ilanga abantu bako-Israyeli esebakhiphile eGibhithe behlangane nolwandle olubomvu. Lo uNkulunkulu bathwalile ngey'ngalo zakhe zeyinkosi. Mawukhuluma u-Exodus 19, uthi ngimthwalile ngey'ngalo zami njengeyinkosi, njengomkhosi. Ngazokubeka lapha engikhona, sibona ukuthi uNkulunkulu. Bathi sebebhekane nolwandle olubomvu. Athi uMose awaziyo lo uNkulunkulu wakwa-Israyeli sebexakelile bona. know that I am the God of Israel. You must know the God of Israel for you to be able to penetrate through anything. The issue is not the problem. The issue is the knowledge of the God of Israel. That's the issue the Seventh-day Adventist Church is facing today. Do we know the God of Israel? We are claiming to be Israel. For it is true as you read the book of Hebrews chapter 11. So Israel. But the question is, Israel, here is the patience of the saints. Here are those who keep the commandments of God and have the faith of Jesus. The question is that faith present in Israel? You must a man be still and look at what the Lord will do. That is why before we close our service, we will speak about faith. Because the faith that you must have on the God of Israel. But ingakho angikwazi ukukhuluma ngokukholwa ungamazi umuntu ofanele umkholwe. Walidabulwa into engakazi yenzeke. Into futhi it defies human intelligence. Into engeke yenzeke, into engakazi yenzeke ngokwe science ayenzeki. But what is impossible with man, it's possible with God. What Israel, akafana labo mawukhuluma benjani bengezwa. Uyezwa lo. Futhi mawuhamba ulandela icebo lakhe nemfana lakhe uyena ozokwenza. Walidabula ulwandle. Wayinisa imali ehlala. Mina ngiyamangala abantu abathanda ifashion. Hamba udadishe ngo-Israyeli. For 40 years imbadada bengayishintshi. For 40 years amajazi babephume nawo eGibhithe bengawashintshi. Because uNkulunkulu wako-Israyeli wagcinile. He provided food. He provided clothes. He provided shelter. A God of Israel. Isikhathi songakwazi ukuthenga nokuthengisa umbuzo ukuthi umindlu yakho iprovide u-engine lapho osebenza khona, if imoto yakho iprovide usipala lapho osebenza khona, if ukudla kwakho kuprovide umasipala lapho osebenza khona, in the time of trouble, ngesikhathi uPaul esithiwa you won't be able to buy or sell, the question is ubani ozokunika ukudla? Uba yinto ngabani ozokuhlala kuyo? That's the question. Masibonga. Asibonga ukuthi sinoNkulunkulu obonayo. SinoNkulunkulu ozwayo. SinoNkulunkulu owaziyo. Hey bazala ngifuna ukunikhohlisa mina, times are gonna get tough. It's gonna get worse. This is the precursor to the worst things the Adventist Church has always spoken about. Angifuna ukunithusa, ngifuna ukuni-encourage ukuthi ezikhathi einzima isondela, masikube sibonge njalo sihamba noNkulunkulu kodwa ozwayo, obonayo, nowaziyo. Mina ungangidabukeli mina. Uthe uNkulunkulu ungakhuluma nabafundi bakho, abafundi uMateyu 28 verse 19 and 20 uthi ngiza kuba nani mina kuze kube sekupheleni. Ngitshelile lezi zinto ukuze masezenzeka nikholwe. Athi mawufunda kuJohn 16 verse 30 wakhona mangaphosisi uthi I have told you these things that tribulation shall come, but be of peace, because I have overcome the world. I have overcome the world. Let me tell you what is our job today before I close. Our job is to warn the world. And it will religiously force people to worship on the false Sabbath. We cannot be playing hide and seek when there is a high calling for us to take duty. I'm a part fighter to take your position. This is the time to take your position. But take your positions. The Lord wants people who will finish the work. But those who will finish the work must know the God of Israel. Uyena odale yonke into. Bazalwane ingqondami ngangayazi ekhulumayo kodwa yayikhuluma iyayikholwa futhi. uNkulunkulu wasemaphakathi. Masiguqa sikhuluma noNkulunkulu wayizela, sikhuluma noNkulunkulu owadala izulu nomhlaba. Nemithombo yamanzi. Sigcinisa abantu ngoba sinenkosi siyakholwa thina. Ingayikhuluma isayini leyikhulumayo kodwa wena wadala izulu nomhlaba. Ayikho into ehlulayo. Don't be threatened by ingane yakho the drunkard. That is nothing. God called nothing into existence. Nothing into existence. Hey, my begging bandla nkulunkulu. We don't believe the God of Israel. Hey, I'm included myself in that. Asimthembu, asimkhulu, asimazi. But ngizovusela ukukholwa kwakho kuNkulunkulu kaIsrayeli. Ngendlela ngivuselela ngayo kimi. Ukuthi I am a God who sees. As you labor every day, God sees your labors. As you work for Him, God sees that. And He will reward you in public as you work in private. And the crown of thorns awaits you. The only duty and the only task to be emphasized is to work for the Lord. For the night is coming. But after the night, the morning is coming. We are in the beginning of the evening in these times. Angifuni ukukhohlisa ngithi kuzokhala kusazoba mnyama. Kusazoba mnyama. What does it require for us to walk with the Lord? So without faith we can't please Him. Without faith we can't please Him. uNkulunkulu ufika imbule kithi athi ngiyo lo uNkulunkulu mina. Ngethembe. How do we walk with the Lord in these times? To Ephesians 2 verse 8, for we are saved by faith through grace. We are saved by grace through faith, and that faith not of our own, but of the Lord Jesus Christ Himself. Are we together, friends? Sisindiswa ngomusa esiwuthola ngokukholwa. Sindawonye? At Hebrews 6:11 verse 6, at without ukukholwa asikwazi ukumjalisa ubani uNkulunkulu. So when we walk with God by faith. Are we together, friends? But we are saved by grace. But the very grace umusa siwuthola ngokukholwa. So asifunde yini ukukholwa. Sasiyamazi uNkulunkulu. Sizoqhubeka ukuestablish nomsebenzi yakhe emihle senzela yona namandla. Siyawazi nawo. Siyaqhubeka futhi emakhaya siyofunda ngamandla kaNkulunkulu nomsebenzi yakhe. That is fine. Yini ukukholwa kukholwa-ke manje bese sihlanganisa ukukholwa noNkulunkulu bese siyaqala. Sambeni kwincwadi yamaHebheru eshumi-1 chapter 11. Hebrews chapter 11. Sifunda sobuka amadoda amathathu masibuka ukukholwa sibuka amadoda nje amathathu masibuka noma sifunda ngokukholwa. Ayikho into ebalulekile njengothisha uma ufundisa uthi uyafundisa isubject ethile abantu bengayiqondi bese uvela uthi azuthi angenza umzekelo ukuze beqonde lento engiyifundisayo. Sidawona impilo kaNkulunkulu. Ngamanye amazwi umzekelo even noJesu efundisa ama-parables wayefundisa iqiniso laNkulunkulu kodwa esebenzisa imifanekiso ukuze abalalele ngokuqonda imifanekiso bese beqonda iqiniso uJesu alifundisayo ngomfanekiso. uHebrews ubhaleke ngaleyo ndlela. Uthi uma ufunda phezulu ufike lichaza ukolo ukuthi lisho ukuthini bese abangasheshi bebambe amagama bese kuthiwa hayi asebenzise imifanekiso ukuze uqonde ukuthi luyini ukolo. Sindawona abantwana kaNkulunkulu. Asifundeni ngoNoah. Asifundeni ngoNoah sekuverse 7 kaHebrews chapter 11. Ngokukholwa ngani? Ngokukholwa uNoah exwayisiwe ngezinto ebezingakabi khona. Ngokukholwa uNoah exwayisiwe ngezinto ebezingakabonwa esaba uNkulunkulu wakha umkhumbi wokusindisa indlu yakhe. Okungakho walahla izwe waba yindlalifa yokulunga okuvela ngokukholwa. Masifunda ngoNoah sifuna ukuqonda ukuthi kuyini ukukholwa. iBhayibheli malibhala ngoNoah lithi ngokukholwa uNoah exwayisiwe ngezinto ezinjani ezingakabonwa wakha umkhumbi. Nkosi yami, uPawulu ehola uMoya Oyingcwele uzama ukusichazela uNkulunkulu ukuthi kuyini ukukholwa. Lithi iBhayibheli uNkulunkulu wafika kuNoah wathi Noah khanda umkhumbi ngoba uyeza uzamqola. Are we together, friends? What I'm giving this generation 120 years thereafter the rain will come. Ufuna ukuqaphelisa izimalo ngoNoah wayeyindoda kaNkulunkulu. Imvula wayengakaze ayibone. Lalingakaze line lokho azala uNoah. Nezizukulwane ayephila ngaphansi kwazo noma phakathi kwazo ngaleso sikhathi yayingakaze iyibone imvula. uNkulunkulu ufika kuNoah uthi Noah khanda umkhumbi iyeza imvula. uNkulunkulu Noah uyakhuluma yini imvula? Cha imvula Noah ngiyothi mangidedela isibhakabhaka mvula lawa amanzi engathi mangidala ngawayisa phezulu, amanye ngawayisa emhlabeni kwabizwa ngolwandle, amanzi esibhakabhakeni abizwa ngama-firmaments. Ngizowavula nolawo manzi ehle emhlabeni ezobhubhisa ihlabathi. Kwenzeka kanjani Nkosi lokho? No, thatha lokho engikushoyo Nkosi, ngiyakholwa lokho okushoyo. Engakaze ekubone. Ngikhuluma ngokukholwa. iBhayibheli malithi ngeyikhathi zokugcina kuyokwenza ukuthi bese kuba nesigameko esingasazi sonke ukuthi kanjani la khona kuyothiwa awukwazi ukuthenga noma ukuthengisa ungenalo uphawu lesithi bayongibona kanjani, bayokwazi kanjani, bazongivimba ePick n Pay noma eBoxer noma eWoolworths kanjani, asazi. Kodwa iBhayibheli likushiwe ukuthi kuzokwenzeka. Wafakazela umoya wesiprofethi azethi abaningi abatamile namhlanje ovilane beshumayela bejuluka, abatamile ezwini bayalazi nesabatha engcwele ukuthi bayoshikilela iy'nyawo ukufa. Ngokunzima ibandla lentsalo ezobe libhekene nalo bazobe bengakwazi ukumthwala futhi sebeyijwayezile ey'ndleleni zezwe. Kube mkhulu ukuthi ezinye izinto uma bencisheka ezweni ngenxa yokukhola kwabo ukuthi bese begcineka bengcwele ebukholweni babo. Yingakho ukuyijwayeza nezwe nezinto zalo kuyingozi. Kuyimanje basivalelile ugesi sonke. Uyokwenza njani mase bekuvalela wena ngenxa yokuthi umsabathi? Bekuvalela amanzi ngenxa yokuthi umsabathi. Uphele umsebenzi ngenxa yokuthi umsabathi. Uyokwenza njani? Noma ngekho lapho namhlanje ingakho leli bandla line-message ekuthiwa i-country living, ukuyohlala emaphandleni. La khona fanele sibe nokudla kwethu, sibe nendlela yethu esizenzela ngayo amanzi, sibe nendlela yethu esizoyikhanyisela ugesi ukuze mase sifike isikhathi esinzima sikwazi ukuphila sithembe kuNkulunkulu wakwa-Israyeli. Angikho lapho namhlanje. Kodwa uNoah moved with faith, engabonanga, engazi nokuthi yini leyo, kodwa wathi uNkulunkulu uthe, ngifuna ukuthi abantu abahamba noNkulunkulu wakwa-Israyeli bemkholo bemthemba, abantu bebekhuluma bethi uNkulunkulu uthe. Cha, ngiyasiza izingisiselo esiphezulu, ngiyazizwa iy'ngazelo zenu ey'phezulu, kodwa uNkulunkulu wakwa-Israyeli uthe noma ungilalela nokungilalela, uyigcine imithetho yami, udla ngendlela engisho ngayo, lezi zifo zaseGibhithe ngeke ziwele kimi, ngimile lapha. Bacaba ngakhuluma kodokotela, bangakhuluma angifundile mina, angisazi ukuthi isingisi, ngazi nje uthi uNkulunkulu utheni. Yabona bazalwane, ayikho emhlungu njengokufunda. Bese ukufunda kuba yikhona okuhamba phambili ngokwencazelo, bese okushiwo uNkulunkulu ukuhambela emuva. Ngifuna ukuthi noma uhamba noNkulunkulu wakwa-Israyeli uhamba naye ngokukholwa, uthi wena Nkosi utheni ezwini lakho. Cha, ngiyabezwa bayachaza ovilane abashumayeli, wena uthini Nkosi? Asihambe kwindoda uNoah, u-Abraham, sifunda uverse 17. U-Abraham, ngokukholwa u-Abraham evivinywa wanikela ngo-Isaka, yebo yena owayemukele izithembiso wanikela ngozelwe yedwa wakhe, okwathi kuye inzalo yakhe iyakubizwa ngo-Isaka. Ngifuna uku-Israyeli, ngifuna uku-Abraham la enikezwe uNkulunkulu, enikezwe uNkulunkulu Isaac. Wayesethi uNkulunkulu ku-Abraham, inzalo yakho Abraham izophuma ku-Isaka. Sindawona abantu kaNkulunkulu. Yena uNkulunkulu usefika ku-Abraham, usethi uNkulunkulu Abraham, ngicela unginikelele le ndodana eyodwa engithenga kunikeza yona uyenza umhlatshelo. Sibona mina uNkulunkulu engicela ukufunda ezingisini konke evelayo. By faith Abraham, when he was tested, offered up Isaac, and who had received the promise was in the act of offering up his only son, of whom it was said, through Isaac shall the offspring be named. He considered that God was able even to raise him from the dead, from which, figuratively speaking, he did receive him back. Are we together, friends? Asifunde verse 20 ngesiZulu, verse 19 ngesiZulu. Ethi uNkulunkulu unamandla okumvusa kwabafileyo. Stop there. Are we together, friends? Ngifuna mina umuntu Abraham manje kaNkulunkulu. Amhlaba wafinaka le Abraham. uNkulunkulu utshela uAbraham ukuthi isizukulwane sakho sizophuma kuIsaac. Are we together, friends? uNkulunkulu useAbraham. Usethi Abraham, thatha uIsaac uyomenza umhlatshelo. Abraham could have asked himself many questions. Manje Nkosi, ngoba wena uthe isizukulwane sami sizophuma kuIsaac, manje mawusuza ngimnikelo uIsaac siyoqhamuka pho? Akayibuzanga yonke Abraham. But funda 19 uthini uAbraham? Uthi uAbraham, mina uNkulunkulu ngiyamazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu izizukulwane sami ngeke siqhamuke komunye umuntu siyoqhamuka kuIsaac. Awuthina friends, uyabona Abraham oyengathi Abraham, hayi mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu ufuna mina nginikele uIsaac ukuze mhlawumbe bese enginika enye ingane izizukulwane sami sizoqhamuka kuThaya, sizoqhamuka kuIsaac. Abraham was clear. But clear enjalo akalwisani nento esho uNkulunkulu ukuthi I need to offer Isaac. But read carefully what Abraham saying about God. Verse 19. Uthi ethi uNkulunkulu unamandla. Bazalwane nami, uNkulunkulu unamandla okumvusa kwabafileyo. Are we together, friends? Hey, bazalwane, there had not been any resurrection in this time. Abraham akaze embona uNkulunkulu evusa umuntu. Iyo into yazi Abraham, uNkulunkulu wadala umuntu. So uNkulunkulu mayefuna mina nginikele uIsaac. Yes, Abraham wayetshela uthini? Ngizomnikela uIsaac afe bese kukhula njani? Let he believe. The question is, where did he see it? It has never been done. And Abraham believed in the resurrection, though he has never seen it. These are the people who walked with God, who believed in the things about God as in Allah's zenzeka. Wathi ukuna lokho angakwenza. Ayikho into kulamadoda esikhuluma ngawo that was impossible for God. Ayikho into ababentu babebhekana nayo bethi yabona isingaphezulu. Babentu babeyibuka awuNkosi yami, every difficulty to this man was an opportunity for God to manifest his power. Oh, this is another challenge for you, Father, to manifest yourself. To reveal your glory, to reveal your power. Because uNkulunkulu is waiting for people in his church who he will use to manifest himself and his glory. Bavuma abafana abathathu esithandweni somlilo eBhabheloni, millions and millions bekuqile, bathi kodwa thina Nkosi noma singelutho kodwa sizokumela. igama lakho ukuthi uyaphila khona. Awunofunda iChrist Object Lessons page 419 ithi God is waiting with eager desire to have ama-agents emhlabeni in whom he will manifest his own character, that the whole world may know who Jehovah is. Oh, what a great object, what a great assignment, what a great task. God is waiting for some people who allow themselves to say, God, I'm here, manifest your power and glory through my life. Baningi abantu abangamazi uNkulunkulu emhlabeni. uNkulunkulu ufuna abantu abazovuka ukuba izitsha. Abazofa bona, umini ungabi khona. Bezehlisa beyithobe ukuze uNkulunkulu azambule kubo umhlaba umanzi. Abantu abazoba bina limit for God to work. God is not limited by anything except a proud heart. When we are proud, when we are not humbled, when we are full of sin in our lives, God's power will not manifest in us. Bese kuba sengathi uNkulunkulu ohlulekayo kade abekho abantu abavumile ko-Israyeli ukusetshenziswa uNkulunkulu. Hamba nami kuMoya wamakhosi, mama, uyofunda uChapter 5. Kuyingane eyayisathalala nje emzini kaNamani, bethathiwe baye ebhileni eSyria. Yathi mayifika ingane uNkulunkulu ekhuluma nayo, mayibona isimo saNamani, ithi ingane encane ikhuluma nonkosikazi kaNamani, ithi mama, ubaba mayingayobona nje umprofeti kwa-Israyeli angasinda. Mawufunda ngaleyo ngane kuthiwa umlephero nje kwa-Israyeli babukakaze bulashwa. Kodwa ithi mayihlele ebhileni igilazekile iyislave, ithi mayibuka isimo saNamani bese ithi but there is a God in Israel and there is a prophet in Israel. Bese ithi mama, mawungatshela ubaba ayovakasha ka-Israyeli, I know something will happen. Bapha abantu uNkulunkulu azobasebenzisa ukuthi bekhombise abantu uNkulunkulu ka-Israyeli ngoba nabo bemthemba. Sebeshilo odokotela akusadabula la. Ayisinika nje amaviki. Uthi hayi it's fine, umuntu okhuluma kanjalo. Kodwa uNkulunkulu mangakasho, sizokwenza konke okusemandleni ukuthi simcele. Asivaleni ngabantwana baka-Israyeli. Mawufunda uHebrews chapter 11 sizakubona sifuna uverse 30. Lithi iBhayibheli, ngokukholwa izingange zaseJerikho zawa sezizungiziwe izinsuku eziyisikhombisa. Uyithola leyo ndaba kuJoshua chapter 6. Izindonga ngokukholwa, izindonga zaseJerikho zanjani? Zawa, sezizungezwe isikhathi ezinjani? Eziyisikhombisa. uNkulunkulu has given an instruction to the children of Israel. What man file Jericho from Sunday day 1, zungezani one time. Day 2, zungezani one time. Day 3, zungezani one time. On the 7th day, uzungezani how many times? 7 times. Now I want to close off a very important context masikhuluma ngokukholo uNkulunkulu. Awumkholo uNkulunkulu ngokuthi uyazi. Umkholwa ngokuthi uNkulunkulu wenze. Awuthula friend, baningi abantu abathi ngiyamkholwa uNkulunkulu futhi ngiyamthanda. uNkulunkulu mawumthanda gcina imiyalo yami. Mawumkholwa lalela. Awuthula friend, lukhona namhlanje nje olu-strange, olungazeki, khona umbuzo ukube babemkholwa uNkulunkulu kodwa bangayilawuli indonga zayizoba. senziwe. So awukwazi ukukholwa uNkulunkulu usonge izandla ukhale kusofa. Azathi uBhayibheli uJakobe athi faith without works. Ukukholwa kungenamsebenzi kuyize lezi. Is that what kaNkulunkulu? When we speak of faith, faith must be applied. Faith, you must have faith and you must apply faith. Are we together, friends? Fanele ube nakho ukukholwa bese uyakusebenzisa ukukholwa. Mawuthi nakho ukukholwa kodwa ungakusebenzisi kuyaphela. Because faith must be exercised. Yabona mangisigora bese ngajimi kuyaphela ukugora. Angikwazi ukuthi ngangiyifit mina ngo1990 namanje ngisafithe mangizanga lutho angisekho fit manje. Mawuthi bengiyifit ngo2020 January ngangajima manje angisekho fit manje. Bangiveka ukuthi siyagijima kungabhodloka isifuba. Awuthukatha friends. For me to keep my fitness, I must continuously what? Exercise. So when we are in possession of faith, we must exercise the faith. And when we exercise the faith, faith grows. As I told Barayo, we grow from faith to faith, from faith to faith, until we reach the heaven bound. So uNkulunkulu mayesefikile kubantu bakwaIsrayeli athi zungazanini enza into uNkulunkulu ayishilo. Awubantu bakaNkulunkulu ningangizwa kabi. Uthe uNkulunkulu manje nilalela nokungilalela. Nigcine imithetho yami. Lezi zifo lezi enzike esho uNkulunkulu cha. Bese uyaliyela uNkulunkulu. Mawusubona sengathi akwenzeli ngokwesithembiso sakhe. Wena Nkosi ezwini lakho uthe wena angenze kanje lokhu ufunani phokini. Sindawona? Makuthi uvumelile kuwe ngendlela avumela ngayo kuJobe. Uthi Nkosi uvumelile lokhu kuze. Hayi akunankinga udumo malube kuwe. Kodwa unelungelo lokuyombuza uNkulunkulu ngento ayithembisile yena. Uthe Nkosi ngazungeza la 7 times. Hey, let me tell you one thing, friends. Uyabona uNkulunkulu mayekutshela into bese uyenza ngendlela ayisho ngayo. Bese yenzeke uyena odacelela igama lakhe phansi. Cabanga nami isikhashana before sivale. Mayithi uNkulunkulu kubantu bakaIsrayeli zungezani iJericho for every day once and on the 7th day 7 times. Damini awungitshela makuwukuthi sebekwenzile lokho indonga zangajilika elabani igama eliceleka phansi elaJehova bazothi abantu baseJericho bathi benzani bebecaba ukuthi bangobani. That is why, friends, when we listen to God and follow His instructions and follow His word, His name is on the line. His glory is on the line. Because we have done our part, He must do His part. uNkulunkulu waIsrayeli engifisa simbonge lokho obonayo, ozwayo, nowaziyo. Bana nokukholwa kulokhu owavula ulwandle ngelinye ilanga, owathumela indodana yakhe uJesu Kristu ngelinye ilanga ukuthi mina nawe singabhubhi kodwa sibe nokuphila okuphakade. Ezama ukuveza uthando lwakhe ukuthi akakaze nje yena ahlukana nomuntu. Lokhu kwangena isono ulokhu eseduze nomuntu. Uyoze futhi asiqede ngendlela ahlele ngayo yena eseduze nomuntu. Ungalibali nangalodwa ilanga ucabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu ulibele ngathi. Ungacabanga nangalodwa ilanga ucabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu akasikhathalele. Ungalibe nangalodwa ilanga ucabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu akanandaba futhi akasithandi. Noma kungehlani empilweni yakho, kodwa wazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu wayizwele, uyezwa, uyabona futhi uyazi. uNkulunkulu akusebenze ngegama laKristu Jesu. Amen. Sizothulisa amakhanda masithole umkhuleko wokuvala. Baba wethu osekhaya ezulwini, amanje Nkosi siyabonga ukuba Nkosi usiphe isikhathi sokuba Nkosi sabelane Nkosi izwi lakho. Siyakholwa ke Nkosi ukuthi umlayezo wesikhathi ofisa Nkosi siwuzwe. Siyabonga umsindisi olungileyo. May you communicate the message through your spirit to each and everyone Nkosi, ukuze bezwe Nkosi lokho wena ukufisa Nkosi bekuzwe ngale mini Nkosi yeSabatha namhlanje. Siyaxolisa umsindisi olungileyo njengebandla. Siyaxolisa Nkosi njengabaholi ukuba Nkosi singakukholwa, singakuthembi, singakulaleli. Nathi ekukhulumeni kwethu Nkosi sakhuluma sahlanekezela abantu Nkosi bangaba nesithombe esicacile soNkulunkulu wakwa-Israyeli. Obekumele Nkosi masikhuluma kukhande kukholo ngawe, ukuze abantu Nkosi izimo zingabambozi, zimboze Nkosi inkazimulo yakho mabehamba. Siyacela umsindisi leyo ukuba masishawa zinyoka zethu Nkosi zasehlane esihamba kulo namhlanje, siphakamisele amehlo Nkosi ephezulu Nkosi esiphambanweni, ukuze bese siyaphila umsindisi leyo. Gcwalisa Nkosi ithemba lethu ngawe, uqinise Nkosi ukholo lwethu ngawe. Isikhathi Nkosi siphila kusona nezizayo siza kuba nzima kakhulu. Khanda Nkosi ukukholwa kwethu, khanda Nkosi ukuthembela kwethu, bese Nkosi usisiza amehlo ethu siwabukele njalo kuwe Jesu, singawasusi size sifike ekhaya usihola wena njalo endleleni. Ubusise ibandla lakho masihlukana, ubusise Nkosi ukuhamba kwethu endleleni ngegama laKristu Jesu kuze kube phakathi.